In this video, let's explore Agent Store. So, Agent Store in Microsoft 365 Copilot is basically a centralized, curated marketplace that showcases the agents built by Microsoft, trusted partners, and customers. Now, within Agent Store, you can see various agents being created. You can utilize those agents. Some are created by Microsoft, some are created by the third party vendors. Now, you can browse, install, and basically try out different agents. You can initiate the personalized discovery of agent based on the user activities as well. Now, basically, it's a seamless integration across Microsoft 365 products. So you can see that the agent which has been built is completely compatible with M365 Copilot. You can extend the functionality of the existing agent. Now, there are different scenarios in M365 Copilot whereby you can either use the agents which has been built by Microsoft, you can use the agents built by third party, you can create your own custom agent. Now, it has got a support for both M365 Copilot licensed and unlicensed customer. Agent Store is a powerful platform for developers or partners to showcase the solution. So, if you are a MSP or ISV and you have that skill set within your organization which whereby you can build an agent, so you can build an agent, publish it to the store, and then that particular agent will be available within the agent store. So agent store is a powerful platform for dev or partners to showcase the solution. Now, this is how the agent store will look like. So here you get to search an agent. So these are some of the agents which has been built by you. There's an agent built by Microsoft. There are some featured agents, and then you have an ability to explore more agents. So let's jump into m365.cloud.microsoft. So here I'm in m365.cloud.microsoft. So this is that Microsoft 365 Copilot uh, chat. Now from here, I can see various things on the left hand side. So these are agents, conversation, library, create, apps, and admin. So if I expand agent, I can see various agents. Now these agents are created. Some are created by me and some are default available by Microsoft. If I want to view all the agent, I'll click on all agents. If I want to create an agent, I'll go ahead and click on here, and then I'll be presented with a screen to create an agent. Now, let me jump into another website, Microsoft Marketplace. So there's a site, marketplace.microsoft.com. Now this is like a consolidation of all the applications, infrastructure services, data and analytics related solutions, productivity, security, searching for partners. So all these things can be done in this website, marketplace.microsoft.com. So if you are specifically looking for a products related to Azure, Microsoft 365, Power Platform, Dynamics 365, SaaS, this is the place to go. From here, you can even search through categories. Here, you can search through industries. And also, if you are looking for a specific partners to get some consulting advice or build some solution, you can go into this particular marketplace. Now, the agent store which I'm going to show you now by clicking on all agent, this is specific to Microsoft 365 Copilot only. Now here in agent store, you can search for an agent. So if I search for my name, I have built couple of agent in my name, Girish Teams agent and Girish Profile agent. Now this is a custom agent built using Microsoft Copilot Studio. So if you see, this is built using Copilot Studio. This is built in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now I can build an agent in Copilot Studio and publish in M365 Copilot, and it is readily made available. So if you see this Girish Teams agent, it is built using Copilot Studio, and this one from M365 Copilot. So this is my agent. So this is the agent which I have created. If I click on see more, I'll be able to see some more agent here. Now there are some agents which has been created by myself. There are some agent which has been created by Microsoft. So there is a prompt coach, there is an idea coach. So these all things are readily available. Now if you want to utilize that, let's jump into the section, and this is like built by Microsoft. So here there are predefined agents which has been created by Microsoft. So if I want to check for a prompt coach, now prompt coach, so if I click here, I have an ability to open this particular agent. You will see some text on what this agent is. So this prompt coach is designed to assist in crafting well structured effective prompt, and it will also show you works across M365 and Teams. Now if I go into say writing coach, now if it works around across Office and Teams. Writing coach is an expert assistant dedicated to providing detailed constructive feedback and helping you excel in any writing task. If I go to idea coach, again it will allow you to see the information, and if I want to open an agent, I'll just click on open, and then the idea coach agent will be made available to me. So this is all pre-built. You need not build anything. Everything is there, and you can start interacting with the agent. There are starter prompts which has been provided by Microsoft, and then you can play around with by providing various prompts. Also, you can add a content. You can add a work content, upload image and file, and attach the cloud file. So let's go into the agents again. So we have created. So these are the list of agents in your agents which you have created. Then these are the agents which has been built by Microsoft, and if you scroll here you will see a featured agents. Now here this is all third party, so perfect wiki, daily bot, priority matrix, backlog, UI path. So if I click on perfect wiki, so as you see over here you will see some information around, and it works with Outlook as well, and you can see various app features, and it was created by OOORD17. If I go into UI path autopilot, it is created by UI path, and then you can use this particular agent across Microsoft Teams and M365 Copilot. Then there are more agents like Jira Cloud, Asana, Trello, Prompt Coach, Monday.com. And if I just scroll, click on see more, then I will be able to see some more particular agents as well. So that's it, folks. This is how you can browse through the agent store. So if you want to navigate to the agent store, navigate to m365.cloud.microsoft, and then from here click on all agents, and then here you will be able to see the agent store. You can search for an agent. So if I just search for say service, I'll be able to find agents related to service. There's an agent created by you, created by Microsoft, and created by the third party. If you click on apps over here, now this is not an agent, this is apps in your M365 space. So this is basically the applications which has come as a part of your Microsoft 365 license. So I have got Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and then if you see over here you have other pinned applications like Booking, Copilot, Org Explorer. And if you scroll down here you will be able to see uh, the applications by based on category, so like utilities, education, comms, content management, project management. Now this has nothing to do with the store. This is like an application which you have access to. But if you want to go to the store, on the left hand side click on all agents, and then this will take you to the store creation, the store created artifacts, and then you can utilize those. If you want to create an agent, this is the agent which you create in M365 Copilot. You click on create agents, you click on three dots, you can even configure some settings. So the agent which you create from here, create agent, like this is the one which I created, climate agent or the soccer agent. These all things are created by clicking on this button. So that's it, folks. This is all about agent store in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Thanks for watching.